Hi, my name is Mo. I'm an instructional designer at Renton Technical College. Today, I want to introduce a lecture recording device called eGlass. It is actually a sheet of glass to start with. Let me shake this a little bit so you can see better. And I am sitting in front of the glass here. And I am using these pens. These are neon pens that works with the lighting around the eGlass. So let me just put a little frame around here to eliminate the writings that I put here. Let's say I draw things here. And essentially, this frame comes with a strip of LED light. So the lighting will illuminate the glass, and when it hits this neon color pen writing, it illuminates. So it makes a little bit much brighter. Okay. So then how is it recorded? It comes with a camera, built-in camera right here. So it captures everything within the frame. And it is also connected to a laptop that is actually sitting right inside, right behind the glass sheet. So that's it. That's what is recording this this presentation. And I'm using Zoom. Of course, you can use other applications as well, as long as you can capture the voice and the video, it will work. So you may wonder what this could be for. So I would recommend using this for a short lectures that is short. It could be multiple segments, but I would say keep it under 5 minutes, but you can obviously make more segments. And then also that something that introduce basic concepts. So at the beginning of class or module, you want to introduce the key concept, and this will be a great way to present it. As you can see, when I am looking at the camera over there, you may feel that I'm actually talking to you. And also I can write things and draw things, and also I can circle things around, so I can kind of draw attention to a certain area that I want to discuss. Other ways that you could use this would be perhaps intro to a class. And you may put this video in your Canvas welcome page, introducing yourself, just like what I'm doing right now. And so that students can not only get to learn what they will be learning, but also they get to see you, and they get to see and hear what who you are and how you interact with your students and so on. So it's a great way to introduce yourself and the class. And perhaps the third and other ideas could be that when you have a favorite lectures that you use again and again. I'm sure you have a few of them, and then every quarter, perhaps, even if you teach same course, multiple sections, you may give a same lecture multiple times. So why don't you just go ahead and record once, and then you can share it through Canvas or the learning management system. Then when the students come into your classroom, then you can talk about it as like a review rather than spending whole time to teach the same concept. And also students get to watch again and again until they fully understand what you need to convey. So again, this is eGlass. Let me just go to right. And it is available at Center for Innovative Teaching and Learning at RTC. Just send us an email and we'll set it up for you. Thank you.